We are cooking a couple of ribeyes, one for the wife, one for me. Salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder, and then mine has some of this, some jalapeno seasoning. Gonna be cooking this on the new Blackstone, the 20-inch that's out there. Let's go. All right, so gonna be using this new 20-inch Blackstone. I have my old cover on it for now. Let's heat it up. I think it lit. It's been heating up or lighting up right away, which is nice. Let this get hot. All right, it's only been a few minutes and this thing is already smoking. So I'm gonna use some ghee to put down first. And the only reason I'm putting it down is the sears, it sears a little bit better. It's getting more of a surface area on that steak. So I am just going to scoop out a little bit of ghee and get it down on here. But I think this is very unlevel right now, which I talked about in a previous video that you should level it, but I forgot and I just thought about it now as I was putting these down. Add a little bit of ghee, maybe a little bit on the hot side. Turn these down a little bit. I like my steaks medium rare, closer to on the rare side. She likes hers closer to the medium side. So I'll just keep an eye on the sear and get my thermometer out here in a second. Well, let's flip them. See how they're doing. Oh yeah, that's a nice sear. Very slippery. But also a nice sear. Okay, they haven't really been on for that long, so I'm gonna go ahead and just check, see what we're dealing with here. Okay, we're only at, whoa, yeah, it's cold, so I better turn this down. Probably turn mine down a little bit too. 75, yeah. So I probably seared them a little too quickly. That's all right, we're gonna go ahead and turn them all the way down and let them go. Okay, I flipped this one again. I'm not afraid of flipping steaks multiple times. It's 109, 126, 117. They're getting there. That's all right. This bigger one is mine, so I'm okay with a little bit of coldness. All right, these are ready to go. They turned out really nice.